Welcome to the 6th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. The focus of this lesson is the method of adding stitches for plackets. We are now learning how to add stitches to plackets on both sides. First, add relevant nodes to form the shape of the garment. Then set the dimensions. It's important to note that the placket should only extend upwards, not downwards. Then adjust the relevant stitch counts. Select Fix Stitch, then enter the number of stitches to be added here. Since it involves both sides of the panel, choose Left-Right Separate rules. Then distribute the stitches in the middle to the left or right, based on the measurements. After bind-off, add the specified number of stitches for the left side and the right side. This is the method of adding stitches for plackets on both sides. You can also select the corresponding garment shape template for placket styles and adjust the relevant stitch counts following the previous method. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.